spent together. You fear it's over soon, too many risks to take. Just let us see what we'll be finding. All the days we've spent